So today's consumer experience is really, really ready for disruption. And at Unitron, we have been redesigning the sales experience for about 6 years now. We believe that innovating beyond the hearing device is really critical for us to really move the penetration rate in this industry. And we're very clear on how we change that traditional journey. And there's 3 ways in which we challenge the current and most common journey. The first is we challenge the hearing aid sale in the first appointment. We don't believe that we should sell a hearing aid or make a specific hearing aid recommendation in the first appointment. Instead, we recommend that you extend the diagnostic testing period by putting a pair of flex trial devices on that client's ears. And you allow them to have an obligation-free, risk-free take-home trial. The second thing that we challenge is the prescriptive sales approach that we have in our industry. A hearing test, an intake questionnaire, and a client interview aren't enough these days to make a true data-driven recommendation. Instead, we insist on a real-world assessment. And that means the consumer gets to go out into their real world and collects both subjective and objective data through the app and through the hearing instruments, and that data is used then in the decision-making process. And finally, number 3, we challenge slow category growth. No one should wait 3, 4, 5 years to access more technology. Our hearing aids are upgradable from day one. The hearing care professionals who have integrated the Flex experience in their clinic are reporting some really compelling results. Increases in conversion rates, significant decreases in credit return rates, and this ability to really fit and sell the technology level that's appropriate for the client. We got into this industry to help people. There are significant barriers to this industry. Stigma, you know them all. Accessibility, affordability. And I think advocacy, I know advocacy is going to be one of the great keys to unlocking those barriers. And I believe the way we can really drive advocacy is to create an experience that people with hearing loss are really going to love and are going to recommend to their family and friends.